This is a problem guide for joint life and dependence on SOA Exam ALTAM. Why they ask, what they expect, how you identify the vignette, the plan, the formulas, the tricks, and the intuition. Drill order: 17, 24, 22, 18, 20, 19, 23, and 25. Question 21 is a joint profit test and lives in the profit family. SA asks this because two lives are not twice one life. Joint life status fails at the first death. Last survivor status fails at the second. Independence is the default, and then they break it with common shock, broken heart extra mortality, or a lambda-shift. Fractional age and Woolhouse sit on top because joint annuities are often monthly or continuous. They expect you to name the status in words and in standard notation. They expect independent factors, or a four-state couple Markov diagram, not both mixed at random. They expect a sentence that says how dependence works, a shared shock arrow, a force link after widowhood, or extra lambda on every living force. Then UDD identities or Woolhouse corrections if premiums are empty ly. Official numbers live on the question videos. You are here when you see TXY, last survivor, joint endowment, common shock, broken heart, or Woolhouse on a couple. Question 17 is UDD joint distribution. 24 and 22 are independent premiums. 18 is joint and last survivor through a Markov diagram. 20 and 19 add dependence. 23 adds Euler-Maclaurin Woolhouse. 25 is a lambda-shift first death product. Plan of attack. Name the status: joint life, last survivor, or first death insurance. If lives are independent, use standard factors and the usual identities. If they give a couple diagram, label the four states both alive, only X, only Y, both dead, and right occupancies. Add the dependence arrow they describe. Convert annual annuities to empty ly with Woolhouse when the premium frequency changes. Equivalence last. Independent last survivor insurance is AX plus AY minus joint A. Last survivor survival is PX plus PY minus joint P. Exactly one alive is 2P times 1 minus P when the lives are identical and independent. Under UDD, fractional survival is the straight line from 1 down to 1 minus Q. Woolhouse converts an annual annuity into an empty ly or continuous one with the usual alpha and beta corrections. A lambda shift is extra common force on every living state. Algebra tricks. Dependence raises last survivor insurance because the second death comes sooner. Common shock is a direct both dead arrow. Do not hide it inside the single life forces. Broken heart means the widow force exceeds the original single life force. When they add lambda to every living intensity, first death insurance is 1 minus delta times the joint occupancy annuity on the new forces. Keep UDD on the fractional age sketch. Do not mix it with constant force unless told. Intuition. 2 candles. Joint life status is the first flame out. Last survivor is the room going dark. A shared gust of wind is common shock. Grief is extra force after widowhood. Drill order: 17, 24, 22, 18, 20, 19, 23, 25. Joint profit testing is question 21 in the profit family.